Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about Textbot. Ooh, imagine that. I love Textbot. I can't wait for Ava Plus to get started, but I definitely want to show you how Textbot can work for you. So I use this for quite a few of my businesses, constantly looking for a new keyword to share with others, but Textbot is my favorite. If you haven't noticed, haha. So one of the things I want to show you is if you are part of Textbot that I want you to get this landing page, and landing pages may come with Textbot later, but at this moment on June 17, 2020, it doesn't have a landing page, or your landing page goes directly to the information that talks about Textbot with Jeff. But one of the things you want to do is really get people to go to a landing page and look closer at the product before they go to that page. So one of the things you can do is get the landing page. It is $19.95 a month, $19.95 per month. Let me slow down a little bit. And when you have 3 people that join you on the landing page program, 3 equals free. So if you have 5 or 10, it doesn't matter. You only need 3. So if you're growing a team, you definitely want to have them do the landing pages because you can't have more than 3 people in order to have it free. It doesn't matter how many you put into it. The system is free as long as you have 3. Anyways, I wanted to go ahead and show you the landing page right here. I will have the link down below to this page so you can see what I've done. I just add the videos to show you what I'm doing with it. Right here, you can click the button and get your landing page. Down here below, I have another video that will explain more about the landing pages and what you can see. But I will jump over to the landing page real quick and show you how that works. So jumping over here to my capture page with Textbot, I have multiple programs that I am in that this capture page program allows you to use. So even though you're paying $19.95, this would be an opportunity to have other capture pages if you're working those other programs also. Super, super cheap. Because the reason why I say that is because it comes with a broadcaster and it comes with autoresponders already done for you. So why would you not use this? I would like to know. Right here, we're going to see the new Textbot sales system generate 200 plus daily, earn $100 over and over again, promoting a phone number. Works for any business, free demo inside. So when you put your information in there, it's going to go ahead and take you inside of the demo. So here I just jumped over to the members area, and here you can see those landing pages. So as you can see, there are other programs in here that you can use these for. You also can do the generic ones, change them, alter them. If you're good at that, I don't have time to do that, so I'm going to go with the ones that they already did for me. So there is a ton of stuff in here, but you definitely want to make it quick and fast. Let's go ahead and let them do the work. Right here, all I have to do is make primary page and the system does it for me. So you can click on that and see everything. Okay, so once somebody opts in, this is the page that they're going to see, paid $100 over and over, getting others to call a phone number. Watch this 10-minute presentation to know how it all works. Right here is a video. They can watch all the information about Ava. So super awesome. I'm ready. Give me my phone number. Right here's my image, my phone number. You can call me direct. And right here is a reminder, the number to the call or text the demo of the system is 386-518-0202. So I didn't have to create any of this design. All I had to do is just put my phone number and my picture. Obviously, I need to switch that and put your name and a number you would want someone to call you direct to find out more about the product. Right here, you can collect $100 instant commissions. Works fast. Simply share the phone number and let the system send you $100 instant and direct commissions over and over. Right here's more information on the lead number and the human-like text message. Meet Ava. Absolutely. I love the page. It does everything and it talks about it. Only $100 to get started. That's with Textbot, and this landing page is done for you. So you can see for the cost of a movie, all this information. Jeff did have this when he had Abundance Network, so I'm not sure what happened or if he will be coming back to do this with Textbot, but I did go ahead and take advantage of this. Go ahead and get it free, get 3 people on your team, and start growing. Right here is a page that you don't have to do anything, and it has, I believe, 10 autoresponders. It could be 5 in the back office, automatically sending those for you. So right here is a simple and easy page already done. Takes them right into your system with Textbot, and all your information's on this page. So if you're doing any solo ads, classifieds, anything like that, this is a great way to capture those leads and go directly into the system. If you have any questions on getting started, please let me know. Otherwise, if you're on my team or with Textbot and want to do a landing page right here and get 3 people in and make it free, let's work on making our marketing strategies free. So even with Textbot, all you have to do is a one-time $100. You get paid over and over and over and over and over and over. The second sale does go up to your sponsor. So if that was me, I would receive your second sale. As you grow your team, your second sales are always going up to you. So it's a great way to really maximize your $100. There's no other easier way to do that. So I want to go ahead and leave this here. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. I appreciate your time and wish you a fantastic day. Bye for now.